Hey guys, I'm back with another video. In today's DIY video, I did some ripped jeans with some holes, a little frayed. If you would like to know how I made these, stay tuned for the video. The materials you will need are tweezers, some scissors, and some jeans. I have all my materials. Now let's get started. So I'm coming back. Right here, I'm just continuing to pull the thread out of the jeans. As you can see, it's kind of a tedious project, but it's worth it. With the darker jeans, it's easier to see what you are pulling out versus the lighter ones. I've done a light pair of jeans as well, and it was a little bit trickier because the fabric kind of looks the same color as the jean material. I don't know why I was pointing at you guys. But anyway, so this is what it'll look like once you finish pulling out all of the thread, as you can see. So I cut another slit into the jeans. It depends on how many holes that you would like in your jeans. I'm just doing a couple for the video. I really like doing shorts more than jeans because it's less work. So I just did the thighs on both of my legs. I'm just cutting sections, and I'm going to continue to pull the thread and keep cutting sections, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY video on ripped jeans. If you would like more videos, please subscribe down below. Thank you. Bye guys.